Let's see how to create one lead generation campaign on Facebook. Go to Create, select Leads. Here you'll have multiple options for generating leads. You can generate in form, messenger, conversions, calls, etc. For now, we want to host one form on Facebook, so we'll be selecting instant forms. Click Continue. Click on Manual Control. Continue. Now you can see three options, which is campaign, ad set, and ad. We'll scroll one by one to all of them. You can name your campaign. Click on Next. Here we are choosing instant forms. There are multiple options. In case you want people to come to your website and fill up a form which is hosted on the website, you have to select website in that case. For now, we want to host one form on Facebook, so we'll be selecting instant forms. Choose the page. Select your daily budget or your lifetime budget. For now, I'm selecting my daily budget to be 200 rupees. When do you want to start your ad? Let's say I want to start my ad after an hour. So let's put it this way. You can select one end date, or in case you want this ad to be running, you can leave this end date as blank and you can switch off this campaign by yourself whenever you want to. Here you have to complete your ad set, location, targeting, etc. So I have my audience saved already. In another video, you can see how to create a saved audience. So I'm using the same audience here. So I've included India, I've excluded some locations, I've selected the age group, I've selected some interest and behaviors. And you can see the estimated daily results here. If I put 200 rupees daily, you can see expected leads are less than 10. This is for every day. These are daily results. Now you can select the placements. Let's say I just want to put on feeds, or let's say just stories. I don't want to use audience network. I can select the placements here. Select the placements where you want to put your ad. For now, I just want to put my ad on feeds and stories and reels, and on Facebook and Instagram. So I've selected that. For now, I'm not using any cost per result goal. Once you run the ads and you understand what it is costing you per lead, then maybe for next ads, you can select some goal here. So you've selected saved audience. Now you can click next. Now you can select that particular creative. If you have one, you can upload it, or you want to use some post, you can. For now, I'll just upload one creative. By default, it will select some creative. You can delete it and upload yours. You can upload your creative. You can upload video, you can upload some creative. And then we'll have to set up a form here. You can also upload in different sizes for Facebook, Instagram stories, and square size for feeds. For now, I'm uploading one size. Since I already have this image uploaded here, click on next. Now you'll see this option to add a form here. Whenever somebody would click on sign up, or you can use a different call to action, this form will pop up, which you will create now. You have multiple options for these call to actions. Let's create a form. Create new. You can name this form. You can have some introduction here. You can add some text here, some paragraphs, something in list. Let's say you want to add something in bullet points. You can add it here. You can add it in paragraph. You can go to questions and you can add some questions here. Let's say here I want to record email address, phone number, and name. So I can add question. This is a text question here. You'll get more questions here. You have multiple categories here you can choose. So for now, I'm taking name, phone number, and email. I'm just changing the sequence. You can add more questions here. Let's say maybe some short answer you want somebody to fill in, some multiple choice questions. You can have your own questions built here. Rest you can fill it from here. You'll also have to add link to the privacy policy from the website. In case you don't have, you can put Facebook page link because this is a mandate thing. For now, I'll just put the link. If you have privacy policy, well and good. If you don't have, then you have to put one link somewhere. So you can take Facebook page about link. So here I'll just put up a link. For now, I'm going to put about link. You can leave this text blank. We've added questions here. You would have type here, more volume or higher intent. For now, I want it to be higher intent, so I've selected higher intent. In introduction, maybe you can just put in some lines. Here I'm just putting some lines. You have to plan and put it. So you can change these things, etc. Questions we already have added here. Disclaimer you can leave. Here you'll have one more thing to put in. You have your questions. You have to put in description that what you'll do of these details. So maybe you can just have some example and write up here. We will use this information to contact you. You can write anything, just that you have to give a brief that what will you do of these leads. Go to the last screen. You can just have some message here, and you can also add your website link. So if I were to go to link, I'll just add this link. The screen will come once somebody has already filled up your form. You can write thank you, our team will contact you soon. Any message you want to put once somebody submits the form. Now here you can preview your form. Your first screen, you can shorten this up. Your second screen, your third screen, and your fourth screen. Save the draft and publish the form. If there would be any errors, the form won't be published. You'll get one message that there are errors in your form. So our form is ready. Now you can see your ad, how it will look on feeds. When somebody would sign up, this form will pop up. You can also see it on stories. Once somebody signs up, you can see that the form will come up. You can also change the call to action. Let's say I want to put as apply now. So I'll just change it to apply now. And you can publish your campaign. So let's check back here. We've selected the campaign as lead generation and objective is leads. In ad set, you have created one audience and selected instant forms. We have set up the budget. We have set up the start date. This is the audience thing. We've selected the placement. And then in ad, we have put up the creative. Our form is ready and the call to action as well. And you can just publish your ad.